Hi there, how it's going? It's Sumit from Sumit Photo World, and today we will be having incredible day because we are going to learn water splash product photography. We will be creating some incredible images. I'm going to share complete camera settings, behind the scenes setup, and more on top of it. I'm going to tell you the secret of creating splash photography because there are some special tricks to create splashes from different angles. I'll show you at the end of this video, so just be there so you don't miss out anything. And for camera settings, we will be having some high shutter speed somewhere around 1250th of seconds because splashes is something which we need to freeze it, and to freeze we need that much of shutter speeds. For aperture, we are going to have it somewhere around f11 to f16 just to make sure everything will be in focus so we don't miss out any splash going out of focus. So just be there because it's going to be fun to work with splash photography, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. This is my behind the scenes setup. I have key light with 1/4 power. My fill light also 1/4 power, but a little further away from the subject just to make sure it's just filling the shadows to show details. And I also have my bounce light under the table, and you can see it's a full power. So I'm just making sure there'll be no harsh reflection on the product. And that's how I did it. So it's oops, I missed it on the fast, but I got it. Yeah, so you can see how quickly we have to move out because it was on self timer. I set up the timer at 20 seconds with 3 seconds of interval. So in 3 seconds I have to move away and just complete the splash. I've done this. I've captured 70 plus splash shots to get my best splash. This is the result of our hard work. Amazing to see. It's incredible. In this shot, you can see how I'm aiming at top, and it's amazing to see the result. Splash depends on water level in glass. And in this image, you can see how I forced it. It's just coming hard on the top. And it's creating amazing result. Here I tried other angle. I'm coming from behind with the force of the flash, and it's incredible to see the result. In this shot I tried from side of the product, and it's really creating different perspective. Get creative with your splash and try different ways, different angles, and you will have the best. I'm sure you'll get it. I'm sure you have enjoyed this video and you have learned the process that how we can create our beautiful product photography using water splash, and it's amazing to see the result. So your next question should be that how we are going to create our composite work, how we are going to blend all these images and in Photoshop. So it's very easy process, but I have my dedicated video for that. So what you need to do, you just need to subscribe this channel and change the notification bell to all, so you will get notified as soon as I upload my new video for editing process. And just look out for the SPW Lounge playlist. So this is the playlist where I'm going to upload all these editing process videos. You will find very useful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.